We share in your inexpressible grief, but we also share in your pride for your husband, your father, your brother, and your kin who belonged not only to you, but also to us. Thank you for sharing him so generously with us as families and as a nation. Amolo may no longer walk with us, but his spirit lives within every Kenyan and every African. Such was the depth of his influence and impact that even in his absence, his presence endures. Fellow citizens, we gather here today not just to mourn the passing on of Baba, but celebrate